I am at the Southeastern Railway Museum in Duluth, Georgia. We were here a couple of years ago, but we didn't get to spend a whole lot of time here. But I'm kind of on my own today, and I'm going to be able to poke around all kind of corners. They're getting some stuff ready for the day over there, it looks like. I know they've got some steamers, some good stuff, Cabooses, and I'm going to try to document it more. Like I said, we were here before, but didn't get any video done, so I'm going to do that this time and hopefully find some cool stuff. Alright, thanks guys. Alright, I decided to start out back because once I got inside there was like a large group of train enthusiasts with cameras and tripods and everything, so I figured I'd come outside and start here. But first thing I come across, and this is back under all the buildings and everything, but this is one of the main ones I was looking for anyway, because this is 1924 Baldwin. It's a 280. It's also Chattahoochee Valley number 21, which used to run down by my house and everything. So kind of tight in here. I'll see what I get. So it's a 280. You can't get in the cab anymore, unfortunate. Took the bowler plates off. Of course, there's kids running around too. And they were quiet until I actually started the video. And we're on this side. Ooh, you get in here and start getting a little tight. But it's a 280. I believe it's the last steam locomotive from the Chattahoochee Valley Railway. There it is, CV21. Last time we were here, you can get up in the cab with its tender. So, like I said, it was here before. Had a lot of pictures, but not any videos. So I figured I'd come back here and see what's around here. And ran right into the one of the ones I'm looking for. So it's 1924 Baldwin 280. Try to get back out here. Kids just have to scream, don't they? Alright, there's that. And I'm going to continue poking around back here. I know there's more transportation stuff. I know there's more steam trains. So, I'll keep poking around. Okay, now I'm over here at the opposite end where I was. Now there's this 1919 Baldwin 440. And once again, it gets a little tight in here. This is the General 2. I believe this is the train that used to run around Stone Mountain. That's old 440. Looks like you get in the cab from the other side. Maybe this is the train I was thinking about that you could get inside. On this side, domes, stack, bell still up there. Yeah, look at that. Get up in the cab of this one. Alright, here we go. I didn't say do not climb. The inside here. J-bar, throttle. Sight glass intact. Yeah, it is. No valves or anything though. That ceiling looks a little charred. And there's a little tender on it. So, nice little 440. Like I said, this must be the one we got in the cab. Alright, I'm gonna stop here and move on. Alright, now I'm back inside. This is the 1923 Heisler. It's a 2-truck, so it's geared. Train ride still going on outside. Get over here, you see the gears right there is disconnected. And every train needs antlers. So we'll come around to the front here. Train ride going on outside. It's getting harder and harder to find time to do video with all these people running in and out. But it is Saturday. Hey, they're open. It's not raining. But that means there's a lot of people out and about too. So, Heisler, 23 Heisler 2-truck, which is very cool. I love Heislers and antlers. All right, now I'm down on this end. This is a 1910 ALCO. It's a 482. It's a 482. Get around this thing. 1910 ALCO. And 482. Come around the front here. Very cool. It is hard for me to sneak these videos in, all these people running around today. Down in here, luckily I've taken a lot of pictures of everything. The video might not be that great, but so there that is. Apparently they got a lot of stuff stored here, but I don't know where. Maybe I gotta take that little train ride back. These two cars right here, these Pullman cars, are presidential cars. So to go with the one down in Miami, the Magellan, we've got, it's the Marco Polo right here. And there's the other one down on the end, which I forgot the name of already. But this is a presidential car, and so is that.